Today we are here to explain the U-tube heat exchanger. A heat exchanger is a device that transfers heat between two fluids at a different temperature without mixing them. A U-tube heat exchanger is a shell and tube type heat exchanger where the tubes are bent into a U shape, allowing efficient heat transfer and easy thermal expansion. It is widely used in power plant and chemical industries, HVAC systems and wastewater treatment.
Hi, I am Anand. I am here to explain the construction of the U-tube heat exchanger. First of all, this is the shell. This is the outer cylindrical body of the heat exchanger, and this is the tube side heat inlet and outlet. This is the shell side inlet and outlet. In tube side inlet, the hot fluid flowing through the tubes. The shell side inlet, the cold fluid passes through the shell. The hot fluid flowing through the tubes. The tubes are bended up to 180 degree. Baffles are placed inside the shells. These baffles are used to evenly spread the shell side fluid. These are these flanges. In flanges, gaskets are placed at the center of the flanges. These gaskets are used to avoid the leakage of the fluids.
Hi, I am Giri Shankar. Now I am going to explain about the flow process of the U-tube heat exchanger. First, it is the tube side. The tube side fluid enters through the inlet and travels through the length of the shell, which is the inside the tubes, and reaches the U bend, which is 180 degree, and reaches the bottom half. Because of the presence of U bend, the fluid stays for a longer duration, and secondly, the shell side fluid passes through the exterior of the tube, and in using the baffles, the shell side fluid is made into turbulence. Due to that, it can enhance the heat transfer rate. Then the shell side fluid is taken out using an outlet, and the tube side fluid is also taken through the respective outlet. Here the heat is transferred through the tube walls, and the hotter fluid transfers the heat to the cooler fluid until the desired temperature is reached. Also, because of the presence of U-tube and it is freely hanging inside the shell, it can be also used for high temperature applications because it is not anchored to each other.
Talking about advantages of U-tube heat exchanger. Handle thermal expansion. U-shaped tube can expand and contract freely, reducing stress from high temperature difference. Compact design. More tube surface area fit into smaller shell, saving space while maximizing transfer. Cost effective. Requires less material compared to straight tube exchanger, lowering manufacturing and operating costs. Removable tube bundle. Entire tube bundle can be taken out for inspection, cleaning or replacement. High pressure and temperature capability. Suitable for extreme industrial conditions like power plant and refineries. Efficient heat transfer. Baffles and U bends create turbulence, improving overall heat exchange efficiency. Durability. Strong design make it reliable for long-term use in demanding environment. Versatility. Can be used with a wide range of fluids, steam, water, oil and chemicals across multiple industries.
Today I am going to explain disadvantages of U-tube heat exchanger. The disadvantages are difficult to clean inside U-bends, higher pressure drops compared to straight tubes. Tube replacement is complex, not suitable for fluid with heavy fouling.
I am Nitish Kumar, now here to explain for application U-tube heat exchanger used in power plants for steam condenser and boiler feed water heating, applied in oil refineries, for cooling and heating petroleum process steams. Utilized in chemicals for reactors reboilers. Installed in marine engines for compact and efficient cooling system. Employed in medicine production for controlled heating and cooling of sensitive fluids. Applied in metallurgical operations for large scale. Integrated into HVAC system for large scale heating and cooling application.
Conclusions are YouTube heat exchangers are versatile, efficient, widely used, and choose depends on fluid type and maintenance needs. Thank you.